Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to disable animations and chats on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you prefer a cleaner, faster experience or just want to reduce distractions while chatting, this setting can make a noticeable difference. Let's get right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the main navigation panel. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram gives you control over how the app looks and behaves. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Battery and Animations. Click on it to continue. This section is designed to help you manage performance and visual effects, especially if you want a smoother or more minimal experience. Now, look for the option that says Animation in Chats. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why you see animated stickers, effects, and transitions while chatting. To disable it, simply toggle the option on.